Today I thought, what the hell, let's go a bit of explore some back roads. So today I'm on the road to Chaffey Dam. Just stopping for a quick break. The temperature's coming up. Thermometer on the bike saying 31. They were predicting 35 for today, so hopefully it doesn't quite get there. But good riding so far, lots of fun.
And that's still true.
So just stopped for a quick break. I think I'm not far from Nundle. Yeah, so not too far then from Nundle to Chaffey Dam. Been a pretty good ride so far. Road's very quiet despite it being between the Christmas New Year break. Anyway, just thought I'd stop here, have a drink, have a bit of take in the view. Doesn't look too bad here. I won't get anywhere if I keep stopping, but there's some great views around here. I've ridden all this way through to Nundle, and I just get here and find road closed sign, bridges out for repairs. A few months later and there might be a bridge. After our little detour, arrived here at Chaffey Dam, no worries. So now I'm here, I guess I'll just fly my drone. Was the